Here we see the loading of first cut mincemeat processed through a 3mm hole plate. This is all to be mixed with 40 kilogram ingredients and 10 litres of water. The mix cycle time and mix paddle speed can both be adjusted through the PLC-controlled HMI program. Now we will see the use of the Thompson remote start station on the walk-up step and platform. The remote control panel allows for mincing or mixing operations to be started whilst the operator is on the platform, rather than having to walk around to the front of the machine. The remote start station also assists in the cleaning and sanitation process, allowing the operator access to inch the paddle rotation for a most thorough sanitation. Flexibility to adjust the mix paddle speed can reduce mix cycle times by up to 40% when paddle speed is increased. The mince motor speeds are preset to your specification, but speeds can be adjusted higher or lower through the use of the PLC controls.